Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chupagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Monday, Gabisile is caged between a rock and hard place where he planned to give baby's Mangaliso a homecoming with the challenges. Dongwe is forced to face her demons. There is nowhere to hide. The community is excited about the talent show. Gonzi is proud to see everyone is taking the talent show seriously. Tuesday, Gabsile is forced to take a dramatic steps to neutralize a four. Matongwe goes to Mbata for help with Matabete. Pastor Kuala spirit is uncycled, stretching hovings about Kwamashu. Wednesday, Hlelo mornings Mthunzi but pretend to have no recollections of even being engaged in Tumadongwe. And the township folk are out in number to sign up for the talent competition. This day, Madongwe signs are visited upon her children in the blood way. Gabsile breaks the law yet again, and somebody is spying on all competitors. Friday, Madong attempted to settle her debts with Matabete seems her appealing to Mbata for help. Mbata decided to play dead when all else fall in his quest to win the talent competition. When Naga is catching up in the crossing fire between Madonga and Matabete, Lil goes for blood. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. There are four things.